Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, September 7, 2024. Today's video is about Sigmaringen Castle. Sigmaringen Castle, located in Sigmaringen, Baden-Württemberg, Germany, served as the princely castle and seat of government for the princes of Hohenzollern-Sigmaringen. First mentioned in 1077, it was rebuilt around 1200 and suffered various fires through the centuries, most recently around 1893 when the eastern wing was destroyed. It then underwent a full rebuild in eclectic style, a combination of Romanesque, Gothic, and mostly Renaissance. During the closing months of World War II, Sigmaringen Castle was briefly the seat of the Vichy French government after France was liberated by the Allies. The castle is still owned by the Hohenzollern-Sigmaringen family and is open to visitors. This photograph was taken from the northwest, across the Danube River. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.